This is my custom VTOL drone, one of my favorite projects thus far. This drone uses a Pixhawk flight controller mounted upside down inside the fuselage, with the other electronics like the PDB mounted inside as well, and a GPS receiver mounted on top. The fuselage is made of 3 layers of a machined EPS foam, with 2 layers of plywood sandwiched in between and a layer of Mod Podge on the surface. The wing is an EPS foam with an EVA foam wrap. There's a central poplar spar and a bamboo spar on the surface of the wing. These 2 tilt sections on either wing went through many iterations, with the current design allowing for 90 degrees tilt forward for fixed wing flight and 10 degrees tilt back for yaw control in multi-copter mode. The journey here is not a smooth one. My first test went poorly, and I had a close call where the drone entered a nosedive and nearly hit the ground. That said, there have been many successes along the way, like the first fully autonomous takeoff and landing, and multiple transitions to forward flight that did not involve a nosedive. This project has been fun and I've learned so much. Pushing through all the setbacks has also given me a tremendous sense of pride in what I've created. Recently, I've become highly limited by both the size of my local park and the short battery life of this drone, largely because the lipos I'm using are more meant for something this size. Despite that, I'm still making adjustments to the craft to push it to its absolute limits.